have been crucified with Christ. It is no longer I who live, but Christ lives in me. And the life which I now live in the flesh, I live by faith in the Son of God, who loved me and gave himself for me. Galatians 2, verse 20. I'm reminding you and myself also that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. Welcome, guys. If you are new, my name is Erica.
For the kid.
So in this video, I will be using the Springy Afro Twisted Up X-Pression, and I will also be leaving out the entire perimeter of her hair.
I had 4 years, all came down on me. Trust gave in on me, lies came in on me. Friends I had 4 years, all traded in on me. Storms raged in on me, hell came down on me. Nothing left to lose, life caved in on me. Else came in on me, love gave in on me. But in my mind, I'm alive.
Step that I did in terms of the gel and just raking the gel through the hair is exactly what I did for my client's hair.
Oh, I know I am champion, Hope fell down on me, people gave up on me. Plans I made for years all crashed down on me. Time gave in on me, everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool, all walked out on me. Luck ran out on me, rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way, lights went out on me. Change caved in on me, nothing is saving me. But in my mind, I'm alive, alive.